morning, friends! Today I'm gonna make a fun and cheesy egg ring breakfast. It's super delicious and super yummy, and it's perfect to start the day. Let's get started. It's such a lovely morning. Time to start our day with something tasty and quick. A sunny bite breakfast. Now we'll prepare the bell pepper. First we hollow it out and then cut it into 2 equal rings. This will be the base for our sunny bite. Perfect for holding all the yummy ingredients. Now pour a little oil into the pan and place the bell pepper rings in it. Let them get a bit of color. This will make our sunny bite even more delicious. Now crack 1 egg into each bell pepper ring. Let it cook just a little so it sets nicely. It's going to hold everything together perfectly. I like to scramble the yolk a little while it cooks, so it's fully cooked and creamy. If you prefer, you can leave the yolk whole. It's totally up to you. I just love it this way because the yolk cooks nicely and blends with all the flavors. Next step, with the slice, the bacon and turkey, we'll add them into the bell pepper rings. Then place the few chopped tomatoes on top. And sprinkle the pizza cheese over everything. Cover the pan and let everything cook until it's beautifully melted and cooked through. Now for a fun and colorful touch. I slice some avocado and add a few fresh basil leaves. Then I arrange a few cherry tomatoes around it to decorate the plate. This way our sunny bites looks as delicious as it tastes, perfect for a happy morning. If you've enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'd also love to see your own delicious creation. Send me your food pics, friends. With love, from my kitchen to yours. I hope you enjoy making your own sunny bites as much as I did. Now, it's time to try it. It's so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.